Thanks for joining us for a quick video showing Endgame protections against the latest variant of the banking Trojan, Dridex. To quickly recap, Dridex is a banking Trojan which surfaced a couple years ago, and the latest variant has caused some buzz because it utilizes a tactic called atom bombing. This is a code injection technique which utilizes Windows atom tables. These tables exist to store data for various applications, but unfortunately, malware can also use these tables to hide code and will evade detection when an application spawns and executes the malicious content. So let's jump to the Endgame platform and see how we did against the Dridex sample. We staged the environment with the Dridex malware by detonating the malicious DLL that was described in a recent blog from Security Intelligence. As you can see here on the main Endgame dashboard, we already have some detection alerts. Keep in mind we didn't configure any preventions in this demo, as it would have been a bit boring to show an immediate prevention of the malware. It's a lot more fun to show what the malware did, but keep in mind that you can configure all these detections to be in prevent mode. As we view the detections, you will see 6 in total, 5 malicious file detections from our malware score, and an additional process injection detection. Dridex drops many DLLs to the system for persistence, which we detect via the malware score. Here's an example of one DLL stored within app data, which was tagged as malicious. We could take action right now and delete the file if we desired. We also have a process injection alert, but let's run our investigations instead and view what happened at the compromised workstation. As you may recall, an investigation is an aggregation of hunts that we perform at the endpoint. We offer many hunts, but let's inspect the endpoint with a network, process, and persistence survey. Our hunts include analytics as well, which highlight suspicious items. And since we have already showed the malware score, let's look at our file name masquerading analytic. File name masquerading is another technique by attackers to evade detection by mimicking legit files. We have an additional blog post on this, so please check it out if you're interested to learn more. Well, in this case, our masquerading analytic highlighted legitimate Windows applications like msconfig, shown here, which were copied to different locations. Why? Well, to perform DLL hijacking. That is, when these applications launch, they will load the DLLs from their current directory, thus performing the hijack. The malicious DLLs loaded as part of the hijack were the same files we just discussed from our alert page. But now, through this hunt, we can complete our understanding of the persistence, which included run keys and scheduled tasks, as you can see here by the category name. And additionally, we can jump to our process hunt. And we have an analytic for file lists or in-memory attacks that we have shown before in blog posts and webinars. And as you can see, we detected the memory injection, and we can take action to suspend that thread right now as well. And that's it. Even as new techniques are being utilized, our approach at Endgame of using a layered approach for defense is the most effective strategy. Attackers will continue to utilize new tactics like atom bombing, but the campaign as a whole will contain characteristics which can be detected, like we saw today with process injection detection, malware score alerts, and even analytics designed to detect the suspect artifacts. With Endgame, we bring all these features to your fingertips. Thanks for watching.